Hey guys, what's up? It's Ciara, and it's been a minute since I've posted a video. So if you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment, just engage with me. I'd love to know what you would want to see, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. I'm sorry I have been gone for so long, but things have been crazy. I'm sure you guys know. I'm sure most of you are in quarantine as well. And yeah, I'm here in Arizona actually in quarantine with my fiance's family. So there's an update. I got engaged. I also got a tattoo. So things are changing. We're evolving. Yeah, I know this is like a really scary, crazy time, but I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it can get your mind off of just the craziness that's going on. Today, I am going to film my easy, effortless waves hair video. So, as you can tell, I have quite the bit of hair. Like I have a ton of hair, like a ton. So if I'm telling you that this method is easy, it really is. Like, you all can do it. This is my go-to when I'm in a time crunch. I actually did this to my hair right before I got engaged. Like, we were scrambling to get ready. They were all tricking me and whatnot, saying that I had to get ready to take pictures with the family. So I quickly curled my hair, and this is what I did. So it works, and yeah, this is my go-to. So I hope you guys enjoy. So to start out, my hair, I washed it last night, and I put in wave spray and a mousse, and kind of scrunched it and did this type of thing, and then slept on it wet. So I like to start out with my hair like this when I do this method, because it already gives it, or has so much volume and texture. Obviously it looks a little crazy, I just slept on it wet and woke up and it was a little what is this? I don't know. I don't really separate my hair into parts or pieces, but you can if you want to. I just kind of go for it. So my curling iron is on. This is the Hot Tools Professional. I don't know what exactly this is. I would say an inch. Maybe? Yeah. I've done this method with a smaller curling iron too, and it works. I think it just depends on the length of your hair and just how you want the waves to look. So we're going to start with the front pieces, and you're always going to want to curl the front pieces away from your face. So my method is clamp towards the mirror. So then you clamp on. In the middle of the piece, I go 1, 2, and that's it. And you hold it for 10 seconds or less. And then I kind of drag it out like this and pull, and boom. And then you can kind of go from there. So the first kind of section is going to be away from my face, and then from there I sometimes like to alternate the ways I curl it, because it just adds more texture. So I did those kind of front 3 pieces, and now I'm going to start alternating. So this piece is going to go towards my face, I guess. And then, yeah, you just alternate. and see what that's gonna do. So it's just gonna make it like cute and wavy so they're not all going the same way. Easy. Oh my gosh, my Amazon packages came. Look what I got. This is the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I've been seeing a lot of people using this to like kind of do the blowout hairstyle. So let me know if you want to see a video on that. But yeah, I would love to know like what other videos you guys want to see. I know you guys have been requesting a hair video, so this might not be exactly the one you guys wanted, but I'm here in quarantine, unemployed, with nothing to do. What I'm gonna do is spray a bit of the wave spray in this. So this stuff smells literally so good. Like I have the perfume version of this too. It's incredible. Like this product all around is just great, especially if you have a little bit of wave in your hair. Then I'm gonna do, this is like literally all I have with me, sheer hold hairspray. I don't even know, I think this, you can get this at like Walgreens or something, but. So on to side number 2. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to the other side. Wig spray. I'm gonna shake it out. Wow, this is my messy, effortless, easy waves. All right, you guys, this is it. Final look. So cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is like a tough time for everyone right now. Please stay safe, stay home. Yeah, sending you guys lots of love. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what else you want to see. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'm on TikTok now. So you can get more of me there if you want to. So thank you guys so much. I love you all. Stay safe, stay cute. Bye.